Hey, I'm Janelle, this is toDIYfor, and it seems as though I have a problem when I go to the thrift store. My boyfriend has pointed it out to me that literally every time I go, which is at least once a week, I come home with something that's bamboo or wicker or rattan. I'm just drawn to those types of things, and this was my latest find. Is this not gorgeous? It is a bamboo wine rack that's in pretty good condition, but I don't need a wine rack, so I'm going to transform this into one of these beautiful bamboo shelves that I've been seeing all over Pinterest. Now, although this is probably going to be a little bit smaller in comparison to what I've seen online, I thought it would be a great transformation and flip from the thrift store for this $8 piece. Please don't hate me for tearing this apart if you really love it. I do too, I just simply don't need a wine rack. So we're gonna get into this quick and easy thrift flip, and we're gonna start with cleaning this bad boy up because it's disgusting. So there's just like some weird strands, I guess. This bamboo is kind of falling apart a little bit after I got it all cleaned up, just sanding this down. So next I kind of just needed to decide which side I was going to take. And I think I'm gonna leave this one on the back because this one is already starting to come undone. So what I need to do is remove these inner circles, also these two bottom pieces from both items, and I'm going to use an X-Acto knife to do that. And I'm actually trying to hope that I can salvage this in case I want to use it for a project in the future or later on this. So, and it looks like it shouldn't be too hard to do that. So I can maybe still use some of this. So there's some big things we need to kind of hopefully pull out. Ah! Oh gosh, this is not easy. So to be honest, I was not actually expecting there to be staples holding this all together. I thought it was just this like rattan. Anyways, we need to take all the staples holding this back piece in. We are gonna leave the top piece on. So again, just pull out these staples. Don't know why I thought that. It's kind of a dumb thing to think. Wouldn't be too sturdy. Ooh. So now we have this cute little piece that I am going to repurpose later. Okay, so we've opened up our shelf. This is going to be the back, but what I do want to do is cover up this kind of mess that you can see, the staples and some holes. So I am going to take some of the stuff that I saved and simply wrap it around and hot glue it in place so that we cover up that mess. We're going to put a shelf in here, and when I saw this I immediately thought of the dollar store because they actually have some decent bamboo style wood. And this piece is kind of the one that I had thought of, and amazingly, it fits perfectly. Uh-oh. Oh gosh, it did fit perfectly. Yeah, okay. It fits perfectly inside here to be a little shelf. So I went with this bamboo because, I don't know, I thought this was bamboo. Maybe it's not, maybe it's rattan. I don't really know the difference, but it's gonna be a good wood to fit. And I just need to chop off the handle of this to make the perfect shelf. So my piece is cut. We're gonna put it inside like so. And I'm going to attach this using some construction adhesive. So I'm going to apply a fairly generous amount. Ah. That's not good. Maybe not gonna clamp it. Maybe just gonna leave it. That'll have to do. So I'm just gonna let this dry overnight and then I will style it, hang it up on the wall. I plan to do that with 2 screws so that it doesn't wobble, and they'll probably rest, or this will rest on those 2 screws right here at the top when I do hang it. Let me know what you thought of this transformation though. Yes, like I said, there might be some people who hate me for turning this beautiful wine rack into this shelf. I quite like it, and like I said, I didn't need the wine rack anyways. But leave those comments down below. Always want to know what you think of my DIYs, and if you loved it, please like the video, share it with your friends, help my channel grow. And you know, I have a lot of subscribers who don't watch a lot of my videos. I guess it's because the bell notification isn't on, so please turn that on if you subscribe. And I do new videos every single Wednesday. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you want to get in touch with me, suggest any DIYs that you'd like to see on my channel, do so either in the comments down below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram and on Twitter @JanelleSteeper. That's it. I'll chat with you next Wednesday. Cheers.